All right, guys, I'll show you how I had to take these off, because if you go to just to pull these out, they're not going to go anywhere. So see the hole that I had to make, and then I had to feed them through when I was putting them in. So basically what I'm doing is I'm pushing the wires in, and you can see whatever wire is showing, and I try not to pull it too hard, just grab it out, and then I pull them one at a time. And so I go in here, just keep pushing. They come up, they show themselves pretty quick, and because there's not much tension on them, I pull them out like this, right? And not damaging the pins. This side had so many wires, man, that it was just, this hole was so full on the other side. So, you know, this isn't like a common thing, you know. You don't usually have bars that are this difficult. That's just what I had to go through with these bars. So, you know, some of these bars, you know, they're, especially when they're not beveled. I don't know how old these bars are. But you can see how I extend the wires too. And you don't want to pull on it, man, because it's easy to damage these wires, because they have to have a certain amount of voltage going to them in order for them to operate right. Oh man, see, you don't want to start tugging on them really bad. So that's pretty much how I'm doing it. I almost got them all the way through. There's only a couple more left. Grab that one, pull that one out, and then there's a couple that are left, and I can't really see them. Oh, there they go, right there. You just got to keep looking and try not to pull them too hard or bend them too much. Right? And then it's going to be so much easier for me just to pull them out. Let's see if I'm past my 3 minutes already. Nope, almost though. So that's pretty much how you do it, guys. And then you can feed these back to get them out. So just wanted to show you how I did these bars. I'm sure there's other people out there that have done the same thing. Happy Saturday, guys. Have a great weekend.